Hi everyone, it's Rick from Montana Outlaw BBQ, and today we're going to do meatloaf. Either you love it or you hate it, but it's one of our favorites. We're back, we're getting ready to mix meatloaf, Montana Outlaw style. So of course, everything's better with bacon. So let's set up our pan with some bacon. We'll put a little pan grease in it, just keep it from sticking. Let's line this pan with some bacon. Okay, now we'll set this aside. 2 pounds ground hamburger, some heavy cream. We'll need some eggs. And the key on meatloaf is, you're tempted just to put the eggs in, you'll figure they'll get mixed up as you're mixing the meat. They don't, you really need to whisk them. Get these well whisked up. Add some peppers. Next up, mushrooms. Next up, some onion. Next up, carrots. These are Ritz crackers. We'll take some day-old bread. The complete recipe will be on our website, as usual. Day-old bread is just older bread. It's a little harder, it's a little drier. It just makes a better meatloaf than, I say, super fresh bread, super soft bread. Okay, now we'll add some Worcestershire sauce. A little Dijon mustard. A little bit of barbecue sauce, some hot sauce, and some Montana Outlaw beef rub. Okay, we're mixing it up. Now, you want to really mix it up because there's proteins in the hamburger, the ground beef, that will actually almost like turn it into like a bread. It almost gets to be a structural thing. So you want to really mix it up. So now we have it all incorporated together. We'll bring back our bacon wrap pan. Now we're just kind of braiding in this bacon, and they're mixing it with each other, wrapping it up. I'm just going to braid this bacon in and out of this. In and out. Now it's ready to go into the pit. About 350 degrees for about an hour, hour and a half. Here we are, the meatloaf is done. I gotta say we're out to get go. I'm a little disappointed in how the bacon looks. It wasn't the presentation that I was hoping for. I was hoping for more of a braided type effect. Flavor's gonna be good. It's not gonna affect any of that, but I'm just gonna say I have to get go. I'm a little disappointed in that. So here we go. Let's get the meatloaf out of the pan. We'll slice it up and taste it and see how it turned out. Good and juicy, obviously. And there is our meatloaf. Okay, let's slice this up and see how it looks, how it tastes. All right, now we slice it, it's held together, it's doing a much better job. We'll take a taste. Delicious. We have the texture from the onions, we have textures from the pepper, the carrots, the bacon gives it a unique flavor, the barbecue sauce. This is a great meatloaf. If you enjoy meatloaf as much as I do, this is a great recipe. Easy to do. Appreciate you for watching today. So this is Rick, Montana Outlaw BBQ. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, to subscribe, and the bell. Thanks for watching. It's Rick from Montana Outlaw BBQ. See you next time.